So guys, welcome back to KSR Data Vision. This is the third free preview session on Power Platform course. We have started with Power BI module, guys. And today we will be starting with data modeling and ETL process. So let's start with ETL. So what do you understand by ETL, guys? We discussed yesterday also, right? ETL.
Extract, transform, and load the data.
Okay. What this process involves?
Source data structure can be different and target data structure can be different. So we can do the processing to map the required parameters.
Okay, very good. What about others, guys? What are your thought process on that?
Cleaning the data and making the structured format before loading into the target.
Data collect from the different source.
From the different source, okay?
Data collect from different sources and input into the Power Query data. In that, we have transformed the data, multiple transformation we have done. After the data transformation, we have loaded into the Power BI desktop.
Okay. So if I will ask you guys one question, what is transformation? We are doing some transformation, right? In ETL process, we are transforming data. What is
Extract the
transformation?
data from different database.
Different database, okay.
So there can be a
Transformation could be
garbage
the
value.
data
Some
type
will be
conversion also.
null, some will be. So we have to clean it. Means we have to transform the data before loading it, so that uh, while loading, after loading, the process become easy.
Okay. Yes, guys, keep on answering until I'm not asking you to stop. I want to see your thought process, what you think about this. And then let I will take it over.
Transformation basically raw data from multiple sources into clean and standardized process.
Okay.
Could be pulling the data from the native sources and converting it to RAD environment, downstream to upstream.
Cleaning and shaping raw data into structure.
Okay. Very good, guys. I got lots of definitions, and most of you are very close or very correct. Okay. What is ETL? So ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. Okay. Just a sec, guys. Yes. Extract. Let's try to understand each step one by one. Extract means like you are extracting the data from the data source. So suppose this is your data source. The moment you are extracting the data, basically the moment you are making the connection, that is extraction part, right? So transformation means obviously like you will be having lots of data, right? Suppose you have 1,000 columns. So do you need all 1,000 columns to report?
No.
No,
Not
right?
necessary.
So is there basically is there any point of loading all the thousand columns in your Power BI report?
No.
No,
Remove
right?
the
So what you can do, you can remove the other columns and basically have only the required columns, right? And similarly, like you can go ahead, change data type, you can go ahead and perform lots of other operations, right? That you have seen in Power Query data yesterday. So here you will be manipulating your data, right? Before loading again, okay? So once your data is manipulated, like once you have transformed data, in other words, transformed data will be nothing but the data which you require to get the insights from. Then you will go ahead and you will load the data into Power BI. Guys, is this process making sense? What is ETL?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is what it is. It is not from multiple sources. Obviously, from multiple sources also, same thing you will be defining, right? But this is what standard process is. Fine. Now, guys, let's go ahead and open our Power BI desktop and let's see all the things in action. Data modeling is nothing but data transformation. Okay. Getting it, guys? I have mentioned data modeling, right, in the agenda. So this is blank report, guys. It is not saved. Okay. Now I want to connect to my data source, guys, which is sitting in my system. So I will connect with the data which is sitting in my system, and then we will rewire it. Okay. So why I will do it in that way because like most of you will be having doubt, right? Like, sir, why we are starting with Excel as a data source? Might we, like, we will be having SQL as a data source, right? Might be someone of you will say, might be we will have Dataverse as a data source. Might be we will have, uh, what to say, One Lake as a data source, right? All of you will have that kind of doubts, isn't it, guys? Will you? Are you?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? So why I'm starting with this my data? Because I need to rewire it. At some point of time, you will see there will be a problem which will be happening. So I need to rewire it to another data source. Okay. I need to change the data source in between. I need to move my data to SharePoint and then I need to connect. So there I will be changing the data source after everything is developed. So from that point, you will be able to understand like if you want to change the data source even after developing the report altogether. So it's not a big deal. Okay. So I will be telling you all the tricks or techniques to change the data source. Okay, making sense?
Yes.
So let's get started, guys. So I want to get the data. So where I should go?
Get data.
Get data. Very good. So mine is in Excel file and it is sitting in my system. So I will click on Excel file, downloads. Uh-huh. Yeah, this is the data set. I'll click on OK. And now, guys, which process, which stage of ETL it is? Extracting.
Extract.
Extraction.
Extract.
Very good. It is extraction. So in my dataset, I have a table called as FPLP. So you can select that table. Just make sure, guys, this checkbox is checked. Only then you will get this option here. Otherwise, you will not get it. Now you have three options. Either you can directly load the data without transforming it, and you can transform it later, or you can follow the true ETL where you will be transforming the data and loading it, and then, or you can cancel it. So I will go ahead and I will transform the data. So now, guys, have you seen this yesterday? Right? So now, guys, which stage of ETL it is?
Transform.
Transform, right? So you can remove the columns which you don't want. I don't want this column. I can right click on this. I can remove, right? Now, guys, let's start one by one. Like product name ABC means text data type. Okay, you can check from here also. Change type, it is text. So product name, it should be text only or it should be number.
Text only.
Text only.
Very good. Product ID, is it correct?
It should
Is
be
it?
both number and
It should be both number and text. So what it called? It is
Numeric.
it is alphanumeric. That is
Alphanumeric.
text only, right?
yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now, guys, coming to the actual price. So actual price is giving ABC 1, 2, 3. It is saying it may have text, it may have numbers, right? So what it should be?
Whole number.
Whole numbers.
All numbers, right? So let's see what happens if I change the data type to whole number. Is it changed?
Yes, sir.
Did you observe anything?
Yes, sir. ABC would be removed.
Very good. But the major thing that I want you to observe is this red thing, right? Are you able to see everywhere, anywhere else? Red? No, right? So error is less than 1%. So that means when you were trying to convert the text to number, then there are few rows where you were not able to convert that. You got errors. Okay, here you go. Now, why you got error? Just click on the error. Why you got error?
We couldn't convert that number.
Why? Because it was nil. So nil can't be
Hmm.
converted to number, right?
Correct.
Isn't it? So now, guys, what you can do, there are multiple ways to handle the errors. Okay. So what are the multiple ways? Either you can go ahead and remove errors altogether. So guys, if I will remove the error blindly, so can someone tell me what will happen?
That is null.
That is null. So guys, if you will remove errors, it will go ahead and delete the rows basically. Suppose if you have 10 errors, it will go ahead and delete those 10 rows. Entire row will be deleted. Now, can you
Yes.
guess? Is there any issue with removing error blindly?
Yes, sir. It will also remove the
Might,
row.
might be data loss, which is important.
Very good. So when you will go ahead and blindly remove the errors, it will go ahead and remove the rows, right? Which eventually is deleting your data, right? So if you are having the data filtered out, so then obviously you will be having variation in numbers that you are expecting, right? Isn't it? So what
Yes.
is the best way to do that? You can go ahead and replace errors, right? Here you go. So in replace errors, what will happen? Wherever error is there, you can replace it with the valid value. So guys, what can be the valid value? Which will
Zero.
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 Very good. Here you go. Is it removed?
Yes, sir.
So your actual column, actual price is also sorted and there is no data loss. There are 960 rows only. So discount price, guys, it's already sorted. By sorted, I means like its data type is correct, right? Then star rating, guys. Again, ABC 1 to 3. It is confused. Like it will be text also. It will be 1 to 3 also. That is decimal also. So what should be the exact data type for this? Star rating, like 4 star, 4.2 star, 5 star.
Decibel number.
Decibel number.
Decimal number. But before that, like, do you feel like while converting it will give some issues,
Yes, it will, because there is also a nil.
Nil value. Null.
right? So one way you have already seen, right, where you got error and you resolved it, right, by replacing the error. Let me tell you another way. So now another way is, guys, you already know like it will get errors, right? So what you can do, you can replace nil values. How you can do that? Click on right click here, select the column, right click, replace errors. Okay, replace value is not coming here. You can find from here. Are you able to see replace values here in transform?
Yes, sir.
Click on this value to find nil, replace with 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So here you go. Now you can simply click on this also and go to decimal number. Here you go. Did you got any error? It is solid line, right? Error
Solid.
0%. Is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now let's move to ratings. So how we can clean this data, guys? Ratings. Is there any way we can optimize it or it's fine? Come on, guys. Like we all are a team. We are working on a project. Okay. This is not a or what to say classroom where I'm delivering it in one way and you guys are basically attending the class and then you are sleeping after that. Come on. What do you think? Is there anything that we can do with rating column? Come on,
Yes.
guys. Give your thoughts.
Remove the name of rating.
Sorry.
We will remove the rating name from this column.
Very good. So here you can see this is redundant information, right? Rating, 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 rating. So if it is a rating column, obviously it will be ratings only, isn't it? Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
So how you can remove it, guys? What will be the logic?
We can replace the rating by blank space.
Very good. That is one way to do it. Is there any other way? Okay, let's do it in another way. I will do replace part or replace way also, but this is other way. Can't you go ahead and split the column, guys, on the basis of space?
Yes.
Right, guys? Come on, guys. There are 29 people in the class. Click on this thing. Click on split column. By delimiter. Select the delimiter. You can select space, tab. You can create custom also. I would say leftmost occurrence and okay. Here you go. So guys, do you need this column? Rating on the dot two? No, right?
No, sir.
Mm.
Remove. You can rename this. And now that's it. Anything else that you want to do? Or it's okay?
Yes.
Nil.
No.
We have to change
Nil,
nil.
nil also remove
They'll also remove. Okay.
by replace value.
Nil.
0.
Okay. What else? That's it.
Yes.
So guys, data type also we will change to whole number.
Oh,
Right? So now
right.
what you can do with reviews, guys? Is it fine?
We have to split it also.
Data type we can select the decimal na in the ratings.
It is count of ratings. How many people have given you the review? Rating basically.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, reviews. There also same thing you can do, but we will
Yes.
do it in another way now. I will use replace values. I will replace blank space reviews with blank, right? I'll click on OK. Here you go. Same thing. Replace values. Nil. Guys, are you getting it? What I'm doing?
Yes.
Yes.
0.
Whole number.
So now guys, description. Is it fine? Text and link
Yes, that
also
is okay.
text. It's fine. And you can change the name of the table to laptop sales. So guys, whatever you performed, you can see it has automatically added steps in the applied step, right? Isn't it? Whatever you performed from the UI. And if you want to see like anything, you can see it in advanced editor, the code that it has generated. Now suppose guys you want to make some changes here. So here you go. You can navigate between steps. What happened here? What happened here? Right? Getting me? Look,
Yes.
here you were this, then you replaced, then you uh, replaced nil with 0, then you changed the data type. Clear, guys?
Yes.
So now, guys, I have one more requirement for you. I want you to introduce a new column here on the basis of star rating. Okay. If your product is rated less than 2.5 star, you can say it is a product which needs improvement. If it is between 2.5 to 3.5, then you can say it's an average product. If it is between 3.5 to 4, then you can say it's a good product, right? If it is 4 plus rating, then you can say it's excellent product. Okay, getting me?
Yes.
Yes.
Because you
Yes,
need
sir.
to you need to think like a developer now, right? So basically users will be interested in seeing the categorization, right? Isn't it? Like if you will plot this in the
Yes.
graph 4.2, 3.9, you will not be able to get any insights, isn't it?
Yes, correct.
So all of you are clear what I'm asking you to do?
Yes, basically we are
Yes.
defining the category basis on their rating.
Yes, very good. So, guys, implementation is one thing, understanding the problem is also equally important, right? Because if once you understand the problem, only then you can solve it, right? So, guys,
Yes,
are
correct.
you clear with the requirement, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, this is nothing what this is a conditional based thing, isn't it? If this, then that. If this, then that, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, is
Yes,
there any way to achieve that you have seen in add column?
yes, conditional column.
Conditional
There
column.
is something called as conditional column that we have seen yesterday, right? So you can click on conditional column and let's create a column. So I would say laptops. This will be my column name. Category. Let's start. So it needs to be defined on ratings, right? If I'm not wrong. Yeah. Rating. Stars. Sorry, my bad. Stars. So guys, if stars is greater than 4, then it will be what?
Excellent.
Excellent product. Add clause. If star is greater than 3.5, then it will be
Average. Or good.
good. Then if star is greater than 2.5, then it is average. So, guys, this will be your default statement, right? If nothing is getting satisfied, so then default it will give you this. So I will say needs improvement. You don't need to
Implement.
go ahead and write all the conditions, okay?
Okay, sir.
Improvement. Now, guys, from here you can change the data type of your requirement, right? You can either select a column or enter a value. So we have entered the value. The moment I will hit OK, it will generate a column. Let me, you can change the column like this also, guys. Like the sequence of occurrence of column also can be changed. So I'm bringing it together so that you can see whether it is working fine or not. Is our logic working fine, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Come
Indra.
on, guys. I need more acknowledgement. Is it working fine as per you? Or there is some issue?
It
Okay,
needed to be changed to text column after this.
very good. Let's change it. Good. Now, guys, sorry, guys, my bad. So now, guys, let's see how it is getting executed. Okay, conditional column, we have created it, but how you are able to see needs improvement, how you are able to see excellent, right? So let's do it for this 2.3, right? It is giving you what? 2.3 is giving you what, guys?
Need improvement.
Needs improvement.
Needs improvement, right? Let's do it in very, I would say, simple way. So how it will execute, guys? It will check this condition first. 2.3 is greater than 4. Is it true or false?
False.
False. Agree? All of you? 2.3 is greater than 4. True or false? Come
False,
on,
sir.
guys.
False.
False.
This is not a technical question, right? Common sense.
Yes, sir.
Then 2.3, then it will check this condition. Okay, this condition is not satisfied. 2.3 is greater than 3.5. True or false?
False, sir.
Again, false.
False.
Again, false, right? Then 2.3 is greater than 2.5.
Again, false.
Then nothing is satisfied, guys. So what it will give?
Need improvement.
It's improvement. Now suppose, guys, for a row, the value is 3.8. Can someone tell me what it will give?
It will give good.
Good.
So what, sir? What will be the rating?
Sorry. Why it will give good?
Sir, what is the value?
3.8.
It will give excellent, sir.
Excellent.
It will give excellent. 3.8, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let's backtrack. 3.8 is greater than 4. Is it true or false?
False, sir.
False.
So then how it will give excellent? Thing. 3.8 is greater than 3.5. Is it true or false?
True.
True.
So the moment it is true, it will give you good. Right? Now let's do edge case. If the star value is 4, then what it will be?
Excellent.
Excellent.
Very good. How many of you say excellent? Can you raise your hand?
It will be good.
Good.
Will not apply the is equal
Is equal to, we have
sign.
not applied is equal to
Not
4.
apply. Is equal to.
Very good. Because 4 is greater than 4. Is it true?
No, sir.
No.
No.
No, right? If I will say 4 is greater than or equals to 4, then is it true?
Yes, true.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Then it
Yes.
will give
Right?
excellent.
So then you will get excellent. Otherwise, you will get good. So why I'm backtracking like this? So that you learn this thing, how to backtrack. You are not basically writing the stuff. You are not basically creating the formulas and then leaving it on mercy of God, like it should work, right? This is how you will backtrack. Is it making sense to each one of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, guys, next thing here in add column, you have some other ways and some other column that you can add, right? So that I will show you later. Now, guys, suppose my transformation is done, right? We did lots of things, isn't it? Right, guys? Now my data is looking into good shape. Is it? Or you feel something else also we can do? Guys, is it fine now?
Yes. Is it fine?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so that does not mean like this is Power Query Editor is finished. Like we will be coming to this quite a good number of time and we will discuss all the things, okay? Whatever you are able to see on the screen. You have seen Advanced Editor, you have seen Refresh Preview. These are the same thing, right? Remove column and all. If you want to remove rows, keep rows. So you can experiment with all these things. Okay. So now guys, once it is done, transformation is done. I will go ahead and now this is what process, guys? Of ETL? This is which stage?
Loading.
Transformation.
Load.
Loading.
Transformation is done. Now the data is
Loading.
loading, right?
Hmm.
Here you go. Now your transformed data is loaded into Power BI. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, can you show it again? How can we load that data?
Yes. Very simple. You go to your, this is how it will look like. Oh, come on. This is how it was. Click on close and apply. That's it.
Thanks.
Okay. Now let me go ahead and save this file so that we are not basically losing out on the progress. So I would say Power BI project that we are doing in April 2026 morning batch, right? Save. So now we will be working on this project for rest of the classes. Okay. So guys, is it fine up to this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? I think you have a lot of things to do and everything is new. So I'm expecting like it will take good amount of time for you to practice up to this point. Okay. So tomorrow I will start the session with another type of columns like index column. We will see custom column, how you can create with Power M query and all. Okay. So I will give you simple examples and then I will introduce you to something called as DAX tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is it from my end, guys. So now if you have any doubts, one by one, you can go ahead. It can be anything. It can be related to session. It can be related to classes. It can be related to Power Platform. It can be related to your careers because these are free preview session. So there is no foundation, like only enrolled student should be there. Anyone can join and you can get your doubts clarified. Just use this opportunity, guys. Okay, go ahead, guys. Floor is all yours. No doubts?
So, sir, is it safe to download virtual machines in MacBook, like you said?
Look, I also face same issues. Back then I was having M2. So then I went ahead and I purchased Windows laptop. Okay. So Windows laptop, like if you're purchasing, you don't need to go ahead and purchase a high-end laptop where like you will be purchasing i5 processor or something. i3 will also work. The laptop that I'm using, this is HP's laptop with extended RAM, 16 GB and i3 processor. And it costed me, I guess, 30,000 at that time.
Okay, sir.
But it is only required for Power BI.
Yes, I think Power Apps will work on MacBook. Okay.
Yes. So if you have some friend, you can borrow the laptop for 2, 3 weeks and practice Power BI. That is
Okay, sir.
also one thing. Again, this is on you how you optimize it. Okay, how it works for you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Are you teaching
So
forecasting
I
in
have a
this
quick
research
question.
section?
One by one.
Forecasting?
One by one. Sorry. What, Avi? Come again,
Forecasting?
please.
Forecasting?
Forecasting is just a feature in Power BI.
So
So
include
look, forecasting AV can be done in two ways. There is a forecast visual, like which will forecast on the basis of historical data. Okay. Or
mm,
what you can do, you can basically again then you can feed your data from Python scripts where you will be basically calling the forecasting model, right?
mm.
Uh, AI ML models, and which will give you results, and you can use that.
Right.
So it is not required for Power Platform developer, bottom line. But if you are interested in that, I can tell you in the course about the forecasting visuals, how it looks like.
Just one question. How can we extract the data with APIs?
Okay. So Alam, like APIs will be considered as a data source. Okay. So once you will connect to the API, you will be extracting the data, and then you can transform in the same way. Okay. Let me show you get data. O data feed. You know what is O data feed?
Yes.
Right? So OData feed will be a URL, right? Then once you will click on OK, so then it will basically read the data and give you the same window, the extraction window. So then from extracted window, you can decide what to do. And similarly, for API also, I guess you will be having here Bev. Here you go. Okay. If you are not able to do from this, then you can introduce a staging layer. With the help of Power Automate, you can call the API and then you can read the data, store it into your data source. Then you can connect your data source to your Power BI. Okay.
Got it. Thanks.
Yes.
Can we
I think
use the
someone
power?
else.
Can we use
Yeah,
the
sorry.
power ML in Power BI?
No, no. Power BI is just a reporting layer.
Python?
Python, you can use visuals. Okay.
Hmm.
So there is a Python visuals, Python and R. Okay, let
Okay.
me show you. It will be somewhere here. Okay, it will be in visualization tab, I guess. Here you go. R, Python. So you can write scripts to generate plots. Okay.
Yes.
Like if you have worked on Python, so you know in Python you will have matplotlib, right? To generate the
Yes.
plottings. So
Yes. Yes.
that you can
C1
write.
matplotlib.
Yes. So that you can write here.
Okay.
But anything related to transformation, anything related to forecasting and all that will be done in the transformation layer that you will be creating, might be in Databricks or something. That is not your job to do. That is data engineer's job. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Someone with name VAL. Yeah, Vishek, go ahead, please.
Yeah, sir. Suppose, for example, in our Excel file, data is added. For example, one row is added. Then we'll need to again load the data and perform the transformation, or will they
You
be
only need to
automatically performed?
refresh.
Only
You need
refresh.
to refresh. Yeah.
Okay, the transformations we done will be automatically
Yes.
applied to that row.
Yeah. Because
Okay.
transformation are always column based, not row based.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think someone with name VAL.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it's me. So sorry. I wanted to find out. I don't know if this question was asked. With the Power BI desktop, do you have to sign in, or we just have to download it and use it the way it is?
Yeah. So for now, what you need to do, just download it as it is. So sign in, you will be able to sign in into this once the credentials for you are generated, right? So once you will enroll, so might be next Monday or might be next week in the mid, you will be getting credentials. So then you can sign in with those. So as of now, you don't have, right? KSL credentials.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yes. So you can use it as
So
it
to
is without signing in.
okay, to enroll, how you going to do that? Did you guys
You can
show us how
enroll
to?
from website also, and you have dedicated KSR team also that can help you in enrolling. Satish is here from KSR. Satish, can you please help? Satish, are you there?
I mean, I can reach out to them offline. That's fine.
Yeah, yeah. Even they will reach out to you. I will have a word with them. Let me see.
Okay.
Anyone from KSR team here, guys? Okay. So, well, what you can do, you can call the people on these numbers. So then you will be able to enroll. Okay. You can take snapshot of this.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. And guys, please try to join with your real names. Okay. iPhone 5, Dell,
Yes.
all these names,
Yes.
guys. Like I don't feel good to interact with these names. Okay. Okay. Anyone else? Nothing else?
In tomorrow's session, can we get the data from any another source like Dataverse? And can we, integrate the generated report into CRM system?
In the next session? Very good.
Yes.
So in next session, Naeem, like we will go in a very structured way. Okay. Now data thing is done. So that's why like have you joined the class late, Naeem?
Sorry.
Or you were there since the beginning of class?
Yes, today I joined.
Yeah, yeah. Today you joined. I'm saying you joined late or you joined on time.
No, no, sorry. I was joined late.
Yeah, that's what. So I mentioned that while I was doing the class only. Like we are taking data from Excel. I know like these doubts will come. Can we take data from data source called as Dataverse? Can we take the data source for data from data source SQL Server? Can we take it from Azure Blob Storage? So to cater all these things, I am taking the data from my local system. Okay. So this will cause issues when I will work on Power BI service. So at that time, I need to rewire it to some other data source. So I will be rewiring it to SharePoint. So you will be getting to know how much effort you need to do if you want to rewire the data to other data sources. Okay. And how to do that.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Anyone else? Naeem, Nadeem. Are you brothers?
I'm from Mumbai. I don't know about him.
Okay, you have same surname also, right? So that's why I
Yeah.
got confused.
These are common names.
Okay,
The
got
names
it.
are similar.
Similar, yeah, Naeem, Nadeem. So I thought you both of you are brothers. Okay. That's fine. You will become in 4 months.
We are professional
Now we
brothers.
are now we are Indians. We are brothers.
Yeah. Pledge, right? All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
Yes, yes.
Except one.
Dot dot dot.
We used to say except one. Okay. Anyone else?
What will be the topic for tomorrow?
Tomorrow we will continue from the point where we left, or like where tomorrow I will show you another type of columns and we will introduce you to DAX. We will create few columns using DAX. We will learn some DAX functions.
Okay. Can you ask a counselor to share the contents again? Possible? The complete course contents.
Yeah, so basically, I hope I'm sharing my screen and you are able to see the numbers. You can call them on this number and ask about that, like whatever you
Yeah.
need, whether you want to
Fine.
enroll, have some help in enrolling, or you want some content, you want some information. So these are the numbers. So these people will be able to help you. Okay. Fine, guys. Anyone else? Anything? I can see people are silently dropping. So if you don't have
Thanks, sir.
doubts, I would also
Thanks.
like to drop them. Thank
Thanks
you,
so much.
guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Let's meet again tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.
Yes.